I'm Attorney Ahmad Yakzan, the leader of the American Dream Team at the American Dream Law Office. And today, I want to discuss some immigration news from this week with you. There were some big news in immigration law this week. It started with the introduction of the Citizenship Act in Congress by the Biden administration. Yesterday, we got the administration's new enforcement priorities for removals from the United States. And today, we received the news the administration is reverting back to the 2008 citizenship exam instead of the new exam the Trump administration tried to enforce beginning December 2nd, 2020. So the first thing I will talk about is the Citizenship Act. I've discussed the Citizenship Act in a previous post on the blog. The Act established an 8-year path to citizenship for Dreamers. It increases the number of immigrant visas available by capturing the previously unused visas from previous years, and it allows relatives of lawful permanent residents to come to the United States and wait for their permanent residence paperwork to be finalized. I have posted a lot of news about immigration reforms on 2021immigrationreform.com. I advise you to look at that website. The second thing that we got this week is the administration's new enforcement priorities. President Biden signed an executive order after he was sworn in to review the Trump administration enforcement priorities. While the Trump administration made every undocumented immigrant a target, the Biden administration makes the following a priority: immigrants who pose a national security threat, immigrants who are a threat at the border, who tried to enter the United States illegally after November 1st, 2020, and immigrants who pose a threat to public safety because they were convicted of aggravated felonies. As you can see, these enforcement priorities are similar to the Obama administration's priorities and concentrate on enforcement efforts to remove immigrants who pose serious threats to the United States. And the last thing I will talk about were the changes to the citizenship exam. The administration announced today that it's reverting back to the 2008 naturalization exam. The Trump administration announced changes to the exams, which included an expanded universe of questions and increased passing score. To pass, the applicant had to answer 20 correct questions out of 20 questions. The universe was also expanded from 100 questions to 120. The Biden administration announced today that it's reverting back to the 2008 exam. Applicants must answer 6 questions correctly out of 10. The change is not immediate, however. The applicant will have the choice to take either exam until April 18th, 2021, and a full revision will happen on April 19, 2021. These changes really usher in a new era in immigration enforcement. After 40 years of the Trump administration continued assault on the legal immigration system, President Biden is ushering in changes that puts the system back on the right track. If you or one of your family members are impacted by these changes, please call us at 1-888-786-4507 24/7 to schedule a strategy session with me. Thank you.